all know why we are here. We have 503 members in the Edo State Campaign Council. And today, we want to inaugurate that council so that from now on, the campaign activities, will hand it over to you and you take it off from there. Are you ready for the job? Are you ready to be inaugurated? Can we all just stand up and raise our right hands and we'll get inaugurated? By the relevant sections of the party's constitution, I hereby inaugurate all of you to serve in the Edo State chapter of the Presidential Campaign Council. You are hereby inaugurated. Congratulations.
It gives me great pleasure to be here today. I'm a foundation member of PDP nationally. And when we came back, my leaders then, Dr. Samuel Ogbemudia, blessed memory, Chief Anthony Aneni, and the Esoma of Benin were our leaders. We stood behind them to form the party in the Edo State after the national inauguration of the party in Abuja. Since then, it was in Ogbemudia's house, sitting room, I was nominated to be the first chairman of the party in Edo State. For that 10 years that I was chairman of the party in Edo State every year has produced all the candidates in Edo to be PDP. We have some of our members of the Senate, friends and relations that worked under me, that came up. I'm happy to see that some of them are still here. From today on, the chairman, which is my brother, my son and everything, the place we inaugurated PDP in Edo State, Koso Guest House, where I brought him in to go to House of Representatives. After that, today is the chairman of the party after me. I'm happy to be here because we have a governor who is also from Edo. No matter what people say, you come from APC 5 or YCCC, I'm supporting him to complete his tenure. I pray to Almighty God that Atiku will win the presidential election.
The chairman who led us to victory in 1999 is here. It is like we are restarting the party. He is here in spirit to give us that blessing. Who says we will not win? Because every time I've had the privilege to talk to our president, the incoming president, Atiku, he always referred us back to what happened in 1999. He said, don't forget, when we took over in 1999, Nigeria was as divided as it is today. The military had been there for a long time. Democratic culture had ceased. He said, the same strategy, the same tools we used then to make sure we bring Nigeria back together, we will deploy this time. He said, you may not remember, the economy of Nigeria was in shambles in 1999. Oil production and oil price had collapsed. They came in, himself and General Obasanjo. He was in charge of the economy at that time. All the things that kept Nigeria going, the debt relief we got, all the investments they had to make, how they had to make sure they fought in a place like OD to send a lesson that nobody can vandalize pipeline or nobody can hold this country to ransom. All of those things they did at that time. Today, the same man is coming. God kept him alive and is giving him another opportunity to help us salvage our country. So who are we when they call on us to say, let us come out and rescue this country? Who are we not to come out and serve? So we are inaugurating you, each and every one of you here, because most of you know what I'm talking about. You were here in the beginning. Some of you had to leave because of circumstances, but you're all back home. PDP is one. Whether you were in 1999 or you are here in 2022, it is the same culture, it is the same tradition. This is the home of PDP. Every other party is an appendage. Edo is not in contention. What we now need to do is to make sure that we use this as the base, the hub, for Atiku's and Okowa's election.
We're having issues of believing that Edo is one, but now I believe Edo PDP is one. We were quite not sure, okay, are we going to have the same incident we have in Kaduna, where we have people who don't believe in one leadership? And I'm very convinced now that I think Edo has one leadership. I thank the governor for this opportunity, and I wish the campaign council presently inaugurated all the success, because you don't have the gubernatorial election. So all the energy should be in the first election. I pray that we win this election.
Thank you, and the chairman especially, for finding us worthy to do this duty by the party. I want to assure you that our job is already half done by you, because we have things to campaign with, the achievement of your administration. So we are only going to compliment you to see us to victory. Walking around this arena, I saw the owners of the party at the local government and unit levels. They are all here. So I don't know what we will lack. Edo State, Mr. Director of Operations, has no opposition. APC is dead and buried in Edo. The other people making noise, they are going to labor in vain, because we are sure of victory. Very soon we'll start work 100%. We'll set up different committees and we'll start the campaigns running.